spray. Maybe I need to change the background. Wait a minute. I think that's a little bit better. So I'm going to use Warm Honey and Warm Coconut Kiss Professional. I'm going to use these two concealers. So I'm going to use the Kiss Professional Warm Honey. This is 320. And I'm going to apply at the bottom here. And I'm going to use my warm coconut. Good morning, everybody. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. spray. And I'm going to blend in this concealer. As you guys see, look how smooth it blends into my skin. Like, this is pretty. And this is the Kiss Professional. I'm using 320 Warm Honey, 345 Warm Coconut. These are the concealers that you can find on iEnvy as well on their site. I was going to use the foundation, but I'm going to hold off. I will show you guys that a later time. I'm just going to use just concealer this morning since I'm running out of time. And I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so I got to hurry up, try to find something to eat. So this is this side here. If you guys see, it looks very natural. And then I'm going to use my sponge. I'm going to use this sponge to blend out my concealer. Hey guys, you guys joining my live. Tap that screen and like my live, share my live. Tap on that screen for me, please. So I'm going to blend in my concealer underneath my brows. And I'm going to use my angle brush. And I'm just going to go over like this. Try to make sure my eyebrows are even. Now I'm going to use my Rose eyeshadow palette. Let's see which brush. I don't think it's in here. What do I do with my brush? Palette by Me Rose by iEnvy. Go on ivyusa.com website. So I'm going to use Dozen Roses. This is the color. And I'm just going to go all over my eyelid. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use this color called Sweetness. I'm going to blend out the color towards the outer side of my eye. And I'm going to blend it out. Okay, so So we done with this palette and we done with the nude palette. Now I'm going to show you guys the Rainbow Ivy Makeup Draw Me Rainbow eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the color Magic. This is like a tealish color, blue, sky blue, I'm sorry. And I'm just going to go in the inner corner of my eye and apply this color. And I'm going to add a little bit of white. I'm going to use Pear. I'm going to blend that in just a little bit because I don't want that blue to be so out there. I kind of want it toned down, but like an icy look, if that makes sense. And that's it on that. And I'm just going to blend that out. And then I'm going to use my favorite eyeliner tattoo marker, which is the Black is Black by Ruby Kisses, which you can find on their site as well. I'm going to draw it out. I'm just going to follow the guideline of my lash line, and I'm just going to draw out this cat eye look. Okay. I'm going to apply my favorite lashes, which is on their site as well as already up, Irie Mink. This is the internal, if you guys can see it. Internal. And these are the lashes that I'm going to put on. So I'm going to kind of bend them. And I know y'all tired of me doing this. One more time. I'm getting up one more time. Because I'm rushing and I'm running out of time. So, and I got to try to eat something. I'm going to apply the lash glue around the rim of my lashes. And then I'm just going to go ahead and bend this. And I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. Okay, so we have the lashes on. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and apply some concealer. Which one did I have put on? Okay, so I'm going to use the Warm Honey by Kiss Professional. This is some good concealer. You see how smooth it just went in like my skin tone. But first I'm going to apply this e.l.f. Grip Spray. I'm going to spray that on first to have the moisture in my skin. And I'm going to do it like that. And I'm going to use Warm Coconut Kiss Professional. And I'm going to use my brush, which is this brush here, and I'm going to spray the mist of the primer twice on the brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out. So as you guys can see one more time, that it blends in perfectly and it looks very, very natural. It don't look cakey and it just blends. It's very soft. It have a very soft consistency. So this is a good concealer on the budget and it looks very good. So you don't have to get all those high expensive concealers. So if you want to know again, it's the Kiss Professional. I'm using Warm Honey 320 and Warm Coconut 345. I would have gotten the Classic Tan, but they were sold out, so I wasn't able to get that one as well. But these two colors mix very well. I know these colors, so I had these before because I bought the whole line of concealers before I became the ambassador with I Envy to play with the colors. So I did that. Now it's lipstick time. We're going to use, I'm going to use this Deep Cherry. This is the lip pencil that I just received last night. And I'm going to draw this out.